So today I'm going to talk about my first quant trading project. It was the summer of 2016. I had learned Java, how to import live financial data into Java, how to build a neural network, and how to plot data in Excel using VBA. So I put all of these together and developed a system which would basically just run while the market is trading, like importing all the prices. I'd have maybe like 5 or 6 stocks in my portfolio, simulated portfolio. So yeah, I'd get all their prices, store them into like a big array, 2D array, and then I would compute the returns of those prices for each one, and then calculate the average return and the standard deviation of returns, divide the average return divided by the standard deviation of the returns. I didn't use the risk-free rate in those calculations, but what I did then was I built a neural network and I passed the max Sharp for each stock as an input into the neural network. And then I used that to optimize for the portfolio weights to like allocate into each stock. And then from there, I just ran it in Java, and taking those portfolio weights, I calculated the profit on each iteration, starting with like a theoretical balance of like $100. And guess what that $100 turned into? $5,000 in the simulation. So I was like, yo, I just programmed an algo that's gonna make me rich. And I was plotting it in Excel. So I went to my finance professor's office, and then I showed him that the whole system. We sat there, we ran it. I showed him the P&L, and he was like, you know what, Mo? You need to get hip to transaction costs, volume slippage, not using data that's 15 minutes delayed, because this would get eaten alive if it was a live trading model. So yeah, that was my first quant project, but hey, it taught me to like keep on moving, find stuff that worked, do lots of research, and just execute.